every year around springtime, I do a general cleaning of my Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. Today, I'm going to show you how I re-season my smoker after I've given it a clean. Cleaning my Oklahoma Joe's Bronco does not include any soaps, any degreasers, or any form of stripping on the smoker itself. Basically what I do, I use a pressure washer and just water to get off the excess buildup that has been sitting there for the entire year. Today, we're just gonna revitalize that grease on the inside. We're also going to just season the outside as well and get the Bronco to look brand new. And this is how I maintain my smokers and keep them looking good and keep them in peak performance to prevent rusting and anything else that can happen in the elements. So today my smoker is unusually clean, and that's because we rinsed it out with just plain water yesterday. We also used a power wash to strip off any excess buildup that will disturb the cook. Now when it comes to re-seasoning, this is the only time you're gonna see a spritz bottle in my hand. For the re-seasoning process, I'm gonna put a light coat of oil on the inside of the smoker before we light a fire inside. Now a light coat of oil, you'll use a cloth to just spread it around. That's just gonna help revitalize the inside surface of the smoker. Now that I have the inside of the smoker oiled down, what I'm gonna do now is get a fire built inside. And we don't need a huge fire, we don't need a lot of charcoal. We really just want this to run for about an hour, maybe two. So we're gonna make a decent sized fire and get the smoker warm so we can now season the outside. So now that we have a little bit of charcoal in the smoker, we're going to go ahead and light that up, and then we're going to get going. So now I have my charcoal lit. I'm just going to add one wood chunk just to get some flavor going in the backyard. And we're going to let this just get up to temp. We want about 250, 300. It's good to have it kind of warm. And we're going to let this go for a little bit. So now that we have our fire started in the smoker, we're going to go ahead and spray down the outside with a light coat of oil. You don't want it to be visible on your finger when you are done with the seasoning. Check this out. So the smoker is basically done seasoning. Let's check it out. When you're done with the seasoning, if you slide your finger, you should not see any marks and you should not see any oil on your finger. Seasoning your smoker, especially these Oklahoma Joe's products, will help to protect it from rusting and will make your smoker last a little longer. It also keeps your smoker just looking beautiful. And who doesn't want that? Also keeps the grates looking beautiful and ready for your next cook. So that's it for seasoning the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco drum smoker. Follow me to see more videos on this playlist about the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go check out my socials. All my links will be down in the description below. Follow me for more.